Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. This is what I say about Compliments brand Hickory smoked ham shank. Now, this is about a 12-pound ham shank portion, and it comes from Compliments. That's a brand that's off of Sobeys, and that's a grocery store chain across Canada. So anyway, this is one of the more inexpensive hams, but I'll tell you what, these are really, really tasty. The Hickory smoked flavoring on it is amazing. It tastes very, very good. This can last us, 3-4 days leftovers, breakfast and dinner and everything. Today we're doing this for Easter, and that's what's up. So I have a pot on the back of my stove here, about to boil, and I'm gonna let this thing go for about an hour, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and put some brown sugar on it, put some pineapple and maraschino cherries. We're going very traditional today. And that's what we're doing. So this is one of these ham shanks. Don't be afraid of these big pieces of ham. But it's nice and pretty inexpensive considering. And we buy these quite often. Considering I think that was about 12 bucks, I believe, for about a 12-pound ham. So it's about £1 per dollar, $1 per pound. And this, again, like I said, this can last you for like 3 days. So all of your meals are taken care of for the main part of your meal anyway, the ham part, the meat part, and you're good to go. Anyhow, we're excited to have this for Easter because we usually do turkey on every occasion, and I'm kind of tired of turkey right now. So we're gonna do a ham today, and that makes me very happy. So make sure you tune in to that recipe, how we're going to do our Easter ham. And that's it, that's all. Make sure you check out Compliments brand Hickory smoked ham shanks. The bomb. Very, very tasty. Very well done. Anyhow, that's it, that's all. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it, that's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.